Whether you're trading the Nifty chart or exploring forex, crypto, or stocks, these tools will elevate your trading experience. First, we'll introduce the trend line with alert indicator. After adding it to the chart, we'll walk you through adjusting a few key settings. This incredible tool simplifies your trading experience by automatically drawing trend lines on your chart. What's more, it provides long and short signals when the price breaks through these trend lines. Alright, let's dive into the next phase of our trading strategy, but before we do, there's something crucial we need to discuss: backtesting. It's a vital step in validating any strategy before you apply it to your live trading account, and for that, I'd like to introduce you to the fantastic tool, TraderEdge. TraderEdge is renowned for its speed and user-friendly interface. It allows you to store your backtesting results and provides you with detailed data such as the profit factor, average winning and losing trades, and edge score to assess your backtesting performance. Interested in giving TraderEdge a whirl? You can find the link in the video description below. Now let's explore the Ultra Aron oscillator. After adding it to your chart, we'll fine-tune a few settings. What sets this indicator apart is its signal line that moves above and below midline, and its overbought and oversold zones. Levels above plus 80 indicates overbought conditions, while levels below minus 80 signals oversold conditions. So when the oscillator line is between the middle line and plus 80, it confirms a bullish signal. Whereas if it's between the midline and minus 80, it confirms a bearish signal. Now that we're familiar with our two new indicators, let's discuss how to use them in tandem for stronger trading signals. When both indicators agree, it provides a more confident basis for your trades. For instance, to enter a long position, first wait for the trend line with alert indicator to generate a long signal. Then verify that the Aron oscillator is between the middle line and plus 80, confirming a strong bullish signal. Once both these conditions are met, you can open a long position with confidence. And to manage risk, set your stop loss at the recent swing low. And establish a trade target that is 1.5 times greater than your risk. And to initiate a short position, you'll first need to observe the trend line with alert indicator for a short signal. Following this, ensure that the Aron oscillator is situated between the midline and minus 80 level, which would confirm a robust bearish signal. When these two conditions align, you can confidently open a short position. In terms of risk management, position your stop loss at the recent swing high. This approach will help you limit potential losses while trading. And establish a trade target that is 1.5 times greater than your risk. And you may be asking yourself, will this strategy give me the results I'm looking for? That's where backtesting comes in. We tested our strategy on the Bitcoin chart using a 1-minute time frame, and the outcome is 64% win rate, meaning we won 6 out of every 10 trades. Not only were the wins consist, but they also resulted in a 220% profit, turning $1,000 investment into $2,200. Beyond just wins, our strategy had a profit factor of 2.60, indicating that our total gains were 2.60 times greater than our total losses. In other words, for every dollar lost, we earned $2.60. Interestingly, during the backtest, we encountered a winning streak of 5 trades, a losing streak of 4 trades. The maximum drawdown was a modest 7.76%.